Welcome to channel Grow Plant. Here step-by-step guide on how to grow lychee. Step 1. Lychee selection and preparation. Select fresh and healthy lychee seed from a reputable nursery or supplier. Wash the seed in water to remove any pulp or debris. Soak the seed in water for 24 to 28 hours to encourage germination. Step 2. Planting. Fill a seed tray or small pots with a well-draining seed starting mix. Plant the soaked seed about 1 to 2 cm deep and 2 to 3 cm apart in the seed tray on pots. Cover the seed with a thin layer of the seed starting mix. Water the soil gently and but thoroughly. Step germination and seedling care. Place the seed tray or pots in a warm and humid location with indirect sunlight. Maintain a consistent temperature of around 25 to 30 degrees centigrade, 77 to 86 Fahrenheit. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once the seed germinate, use fertilizer 10-10-10 NPK every 2 to 3 months during the growing season. Prune the tree annually to maintain its shape, promote fruiting and remove any dead or diseased branches. Protect the tree from pests and diseases by using organic or integrated pest management (IPM) method. Step 6. Pollination and fruit set. Lychee trees require cross pollination to produce fruit. Plant multiple trees of different varieties to ensure proper pollination. Once the tree starts flowering, provide it with a high phosphorus fertilizer 10 to 20 ton NPK to promote fruit set. Timeline germination 1 to 3 weeks. Seedling stage 1 to 2 months. Transplanting 2 to 3 months after germination. Fruiting 3 to 5 years after transplanting. Note: the growth and development of lychee trees can vary depending on factors like climate, soil quality, and specific cultivar.